What's up everyone, my name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today I'm finna be introducing y'all to my 2004 Mercury Grand Marquis. This whip has been part of my life for over 10 years. And let me tell y'all, it's been a very chill journey, no complaints over here. So I purchased it at a used dealership for $5,000 back when it had 80,000 miles. Around 150,000 miles, I ended up selling it to my brother. He was in need of a car. Unfortunately, homie didn't show it the same love like I did. He didn't care for it, and he would do the bare minimum when it came to maintenance. Well, at 250,000 miles, currently right now, it's back on my hands, and I'm hella excited and looking forward to bringing this old boatmobile back to life. So let's step outside and talk about the exterior real quick. Alright, so the clear coat is peeling on the rear passenger side, and there's a few scratches here and there, but honestly, no major body damage, and that's what matters. I'm pretty sure if I took the time to deep clean the exterior, clay bar it, and polish it, it will bring that shine back, for sure. Alright, now let's talk about the interior. This is where things get rough. Now, my brother used to smoke and eat inside with his homies, and they left a mess. Yeah, I had to snitch on him. But to keep it real, you know, sometimes I was there. And also, I would put my dirty tools in the carpet. I would drive around with my dirty mechanic hands. I know I probably left a stain on the sun visor. And the seats, bro, they're beat, worn. Well, I'll tell you this much though, the seats are still hella comfortable. It's like driving a couch. I plan on going to my local pick and pull junkyard and seeing if I could get me some cleaner seats and also deep clean the interior. I might even have to pay someone to do this. Alright, now let's pop the hood and talk about the engine. Under the hood, we got the legendary 4.6 liter V8 engine. It's a high mileage engine, and honestly, it's still strong though. I've done regular maintenance, oil changes, filters, fluids, and it's paid off. The transmission's holding up too, but here's the catch. When I throw it into reverse, I gotta wait like a second for it to catch. But hey, it still gets the job done, and it shifts fine in drive. There's a lot that I want to do to this car, like upgrading the stereo. I'm also blacking out the headlights, taillights, and all the chrome trim to give it a more modern, clean look. I want to get bigger tires to fill up the wheel gap and upgrade the suspension so this thing could ride smoother. Of course, I'll keep up with the regular maintenance to make sure that V8 keeps running strong. It's going to be a mix of do-it-yourself upgrades and keeping this old grandpa mobile on the road. If you're a fan of the Panther platform like this Grand Marquis, make sure to subscribe. And if you ever owned a Crown Vic, Town Car, or a Grand Marquis, drop a comment down below and share your story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.